Welcome back guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. So at a little one-story slab built house, dryers, it's a ranch house, so it's on the first floor. It's going straight up through the roof. I already had to do the ductwork had fallen in the attic. So we come inside, let's check everything out back here. Look at that. That's no bueno. No bueno. And it's back here. Okay, well, y'all know what we have to do. Let's do it. So like always, I'm gonna turn the dryer on. Now I try to get people to use time dry, even when you're not cleaning the dryer vent. You know, all these are sensors. So if it takes 5 to 7 additional minutes per load for the sensors to realize the clothes are dry, then that's 5 to 7 minutes times however many loads you do per year. Power's not getting any cheaper, guys. So time dry, 40 minutes will be fine. Man, that thing is bad. Either way, let's do it. Now we go find the vent. Oh goodness. Roof looks good though, man. Looks real good actually. Ooh-wee, look at what we see, guys. First things first. Hang on. I'm not trying to slip and fall off of here. Look at that. So we get up, and this is a pretty steep little slope, I gotta tell you. Look at that. First things first, guys. I mean, forget about the work that I already did in the attic, and I'm wondering if the ductwork blew apart because of this screen was in there. Jeez, man. I mean, and I bet you I broke a bunch of it off when I was in the attic, pushing my hand through there. Jeez, dude. All right, tell you what, ouch. Roof is hot. Damn. All right, so I don't know, it keeps fluctuating, but now it's going down. There we go. So we're gonna call it right at about 6,500. Yes, 650. All right, let's do it. Really don't want that to fall. I'm gonna leave this head mount on and just kind of do more of a long format. I don't know if this is gonna work. No, it's not. I'm gonna have to go get the other. Dang it. That's all good. While I'm up here, I'll go ahead and do this part. Jeez Louise, man. Now y'all see, I have so many people asking me about these cables, this cleaning cable. One thing that happens is over time, the tip breaks off. So, because you can't stop these things from kinking. It just, you're gonna put it through a clog eventually, and you're gonna feel your stomach come up through your chest because you know you basically almost ruined a brush, even though you're not going to be able to pay for that brush with the appointment you're currently at. So I'm going down to get my other tripod thing. Doodly doo, doodly doo, doo 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 doodly doo. And we'll try this again. Hopefully I can get this thing to work with me. I don't know though. I think that that's gonna work. What do y'all think? I think it will. All right. And hopefully this head mount is positioned right. This is the first time really using the head mount. I've used it one other time, but there's our screen. And guys, take this second. If you don't mind, if you made it this far, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I like to think that some of my message is pretty darn good. So it's growing faster than I ever imagined. So I appreciate you all, but let's do it. I never know if I got that thing right. Woo-wee. Wonder which one's gonna die, the GoPro or, oh shoot, or the phone. Who knows? And so man, tell you, there's a lot more in there than I thought. But that's why it had to be cleaned out, guys. Uh-oh. Telling y'all, man, it's steep up here, dude.
get up there. Whew. Holy moly, the airflow is already way better. But we'll go inside and do our thing in there.
All right, and I'm not too sure how good this is going to show up, but you see that right there? This whole piece had fallen out and it was just laying down. I mean, I don't know if you can see the lint all over the roof decking. You can even see it all over the insulation. But yeah, this elbow was blown out, and also they needed that extension of metal, which is right there. So, all right, let's go check out. And let me tell you guys, it's hot. So have you hit that like button? These attics, man, they're not a nippy morning. They're hot. All right, so I came inside, went to pull the machine, and I don't know if you guys can see. Let me stop this right here, guys. This is very important. When you're going to unplug a dryer, you have two positive legs, both with 110 coming down. So if you grab a hold and when you're pulling it out, you touch those, it will put you back through that wall. Okay? So remember, guys, when you're pulling this out, never let your fingers slip around and touch those. Don't do it. All right, so we have the machine pushed back. Now we're gonna turn it on, go upstairs, check that airflow, baby. Done dry. I think it's gonna be good. All right, guys, let's go and let's go check some air flowage. And this part of the video is just I had a comment the other day of a guy saying how I disrespect people's property. I would like to pose the question to anyone out there: if lint comes out all at one time, or if it comes out gradually over time, is it the same? Because if your vent's working the way it should, you should see little dust bunnies flying out of it all the time. Oh man, this is steep. All right. Yeah. I'd say we're better. 4-3. I'd say we're a heck of a lot better. All right, guys, let's go wrap this one up. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. I appreciate you watching. Please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Heck, if you made it this far, good for you. Hopefully you've learned something. Now let's go out and do something good for somebody today. I think I'm gonna start ending with a positive note, because I think we can all do a little bit better. Okay, so till next time, appreciate you watching.